Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Educational Theory by Mrs. Zainul Abidin. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an educational and helpful lecture. Today, we are going to learn about a very important topic, Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy is a framework that classifies different levels of learning. It helps teachers plan lessons more effectively and helps students understand concepts step by step. This taxonomy focuses on how students think, learn, and process information. The purpose of Bloom's taxonomy is to organize learning in a structured way. It develops higher-order thinking skills, supports clear lesson planning, and helps teachers understand the learning levels of their students. Bloom's taxonomy is important because it helps teachers build clear learning objectives. It keeps teaching focused and improves student engagement. It also aligns classroom activities with assessments, making learning more meaningful. There are many advantages of using Bloom's taxonomy. It is simple and practical for teachers. It encourages creativity and critical thinking. It provides structure during lesson planning, and it allows teachers to measure learning outcomes more accurately. Bloom's taxonomy has strong implications in education. Teachers use it to design better classroom activities, create assessments that match student learning levels, and guide students from basic understanding to advanced thinking. It improves overall learning results in the classroom. Now let's look at the 6 cognitive levels of Bloom's taxonomy. These levels start from remembering and go up to creating, which is the highest level of thinking. Remembering, recalling facts and information. Understanding, explaining ideas in your own words. Applying, using learning to solve problems. Analyzing, breaking information into parts and comparing them. Evaluating, making judgments and giving reasons. Creating, designing or producing something new. These levels help students move step by step from simple thinking to complex thinking. Let's explore a few simple examples. Remember, name the planets. Understand, explain photosynthesis. Apply, solve a math problem. Analyze, compare 2 characters in a story. Evaluate, which method is better? Explain your answer. Create, write a new ending to a story. These examples help students gain real and deep understanding. In summary, Bloom's taxonomy shows us how to improve teaching and assessment. Its 6 levels take learning from simple to advanced stages. It strengthens creativity, critical thinking, and meaningful understanding. Now let's practice. Write your answers in the comments. 1. Which level involves creating something new? A. Remembering. B. Applying. C. Creating. 2. Which level involves comparing and differentiating? A. Analyzing. B. Understanding. C. Evaluating. Let's see how many students get the answers right. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lecture, please like, share and subscribe. My channel, Educational Theory by Mrs. Zainul Abidin. See you in the next lecture. Bye.